Hi, my name is Bridgid Moffett Yeo. I'm a victim advocate at the Sacramento District Attorney's Office. My role is the elder abuse advocate, so I just work with individuals who are 65 and older and victims of a crime. I got into this work originally working in mental health, and then knew that I always wanted to work with older adults, so I applied to the county for adult protective services, and this position came up, and it seemed really interesting to combine mental health advocacy as well as the criminal justice system. So as a victim advocate, especially for older adults, I assist them with getting to court, going over the court process with them. When cases are at arraignment, or we can request criminal protective orders for them, like a no contact order or peaceful contact, since some of the victims, their defendants or suspects are typically family members. We do have a wheelchair here, so when we have individuals who have difficulty walking, we can assist with getting them to court. That's like a block and a half away with the wheelchair. And then I walk them through the whole process, explain how court's going to go, explain how testifying may go, differences between different court appearances, whether it's like a preliminary hearing just in front of a judge or testifying in front of a jury at a trial. And then just different aspects of the court process that may happen along the way. And then when a case resolves, whether through a trial or a resolution, then I assist with victim impact statements. So we have a guide, and we can walk them through that process, help them write it. For individuals who maybe it's not their native language, English, we can have an interpreter interpret that victim impact statement. Or if some individuals have difficulty with reading and writing, typically I'll do it over the phone where they can dictate it to me, and I can type it up and then read it on their behalf, or assist them when they go to court on making that impact statement to the judge. So my background is in mental health. I got my master's in counseling psychology with marriage and family therapy. So for the first 15 years of my career, it was mental health, whether it was at a homeless shelter or a psychiatric hospital. And then when I found out about this position, moved into the world of kind of social work and advocacy. So I do have a master's. For a particular position here in Sacramento County, you have to have a master's to be a victim advocate. In other counties, it's not needed. So I do have the background for this kind of work. So we get our referrals. Victims are referred over to us either from law enforcement when a police report is filed, if our office files, so then we'll get directly referred from a deputy DA. And then since I work with elders, I will get referrals from adult protective services who have gone out to a home. And then we can move forward in giving them victim services, whether it be actually walking them through the court process. We assist them with the California Victims Compensation Program, applying for reimbursement for medical expenses related to the crime, home security, funeral and burial. And then we have several different kinds of advocates. I do elder abuse, we have domestic violence, homicide, and then human trafficking. So individuals too who are victims, they can always contact our office. We do have like an on-duty advocate of the day that they can reach out to, or walk into the office to speak with an advocate to get services or see if they qualify for our victim services.